In this video, I'm going to show you 5 tips for how to use YouTube as an app on your device or from a browser on your computer. Stay tuned to the end where I'll show you how to access my digital downloads. Let's start with what it looks like when you come upon a YouTube channel. You're going to have the content creator first, then you're going to have their address, then you're going to see a subscribe button, which allows you to subscribe to that channel and be notified when videos come out. You'll also see on some channels a join button, which is a way to support channels. And you can look below and join my channel for a small membership and feel like you're part of the club. I'm going to go over all the aspects of playback to help you get the most out of the content you're watching. You'll see you have 3 icons right here. The one in the middle, the triangle, that just plays. The one on the left will go to a prior video in the channel, and the one on the right will go to the next video. The speaker is the volume button, and this will allow you to change the volume or go down to mute. All the way on the right, that's a quick way when you see the CC in the box. That's closed captions. Next to it is where I'm heading right now. The gear button will allow you to do a number of things that will make it easier for you to enjoy the video. First thing is here you also have subtitles here. If you click on it, you can turn them on. If you go here, the next one is playback speed. This is what I suggest viewers go to if you find that the video is going too fast. Sometimes people are accused of speaking too fast. I understand that. And sometimes I really do try hard to slow it down, but if I'm not successful, you can slow me down right here. You go to the speed and you can make it 3/4 speed, you can make it half speed, or if you want to go to a different part of the video, you can speed it up and go as fast as double time. This allows you to see a video in full screen, and you click back to get back to the player here. Underneath the subscribe button, you're going to see what we call the details. So if you click on more, you're going to see these timestamps, and let's see how that helps you. Go all the way down and you're going to see chapters. This is a really great benefit for the viewer. If you press view all, the chapters are going to appear on the right-hand side of the screen. So if you're looking for something specific, like how to turn a note into a reminder, you click on it and the video goes right to that spot. Notice it didn't start playing because I have autoplay off and I'm in the pause mode. If I was playing the video and then I go somewhere, it's going to go to the new place and play. So my suggestion is you pause your video before you go over to your chapters and choose the section you want to go to watch. The benefit of using chapters, if you're trying to follow along with your iPhone or your iPad and you want to make sure you're getting all of the different steps, you can go to the chapter, listen to it, then go back to the beginning of the chapter and play it. You can play it slower. You can pause it as you're working on your iPhone or your iPad, and that way you'll get more out of the content. Another tip is if you go below the chapters, you're going to see something called transcript. Transcript is very useful. Now, if you press show transcript, you're going to see at the top where the chapters were, now you have the transcript. Now, this is very useful when you're watching a video. You can actually read what you're hearing. And if you want to go back to a specific part and you can't remember what the chapter might be, you can go and look at the transcript and read it and figure out, oh, yeah, I wanted to see tagging. It's right here. I'm going to press here. And that will go back to that part of the video that has that content. Now I'm going to show you the same thing on my iPhone. So here I have my iPhone. I'm in the same video. I'm going to go ahead and press the word more so I can access the things in the details. Notice it still says more. If I want to read everything, I can press more and it'll show me everything in the details. Below that, you're going to find the chapters. I don't like seeing the chapters like this. I would suggest you press View All. It's easier to find the chapter you want on your iPhone this way, and you can just scroll up and down to find what you want. You can press the one you want, and it will go right to that chapter. And below Chapters, if you keep going down, you're going to see the transcript, Show Transcript. I can look for the word in the transcript, and I can press where I want to go, and the video will go right there. I can go press another part, and the video will go right there. If you found my content helpful, go ahead and press the like button. And if you'd like to leave a comment, you can comment below.